This is the Greenworks 2000 PSI power washer or pressure washer. It's actually a really beautiful device, and that's the one, of course. It's a 15 amp. 120 volts or 115 volts, however you want to call that. And here are the nozzles. Let me just show you really quick. It comes with 4 of them. They're actually really well built. The 25-degree angle, that's says there to use for fences, but you could use it for other stuff too. Really high quality, well built nozzle, by the way. And let's move on to the second one, to the 40-degree, which most people use for cars. Really nice, as you see. The build in all of them is absolutely beautiful. And now we have the soap, which is only plastic because it doesn't need pressure. Of course, it's soap. And the fourth is my absolute favorite, turbo. This one washes in a method like spinning, and it really gets rid of all dirt and grime that you might have. And here's the handle. That's the piston right there. You can lift that piece right there and prevent it from being clicked. And in front of it, you'll see where you attach the high pressure hose directly from the machine itself. It's really beautifully built, high quality plastic on top with a high quality metal tubing inside. Here's the tip of the wand or the nozzle where the nozzles go. Push and click. It's really nice built. Let me put in the turbo really quick. If I can do it with one hand, that would be perfect. Okay, just pull this down and insert, and now just push. Boom. Now it is ready to go. It's actually really beautiful and easy to use. This is the body, that's where the pump is under there. This is where you attach the high pressure hose that goes to the wand. And in the other side is where you attach the garden hose, you know, from your regular garden that spins there. And here under is where you load the soap. And the pipe right there is what takes the soap, but here inside you get the full thing there. You put whatever soap you would put for your car or whatnot, and it goes up there, mixes with water through the pump, and that's it. And in the other side, before I forget, we have the wheels. Yes, it has 2 wheels, so you can push it back and forth, so you don't have to just lift it. That's actually really well thought. As a machine, I really like it. And here's the cable. It has quite a lot of it, and it has a really nice holder right there for it. As you see, you just fold it and boom, you can put it there. That's the high pressure hose that comes with it. You can buy longer ones, better ones, however you like. I really love this one. It's really high quality. For all these years I've had it, never had a single problem. And yes, it has a fuse or reset, however you want to call that, right here. I'm going to show you really quick. It's right here. As you see, it has the reset and the trip and the test, whatever you call that. So just in case you hold it too long, well, it will stop itself, so it prevents from any damage or burnout or whatever. And now in a second, we're just gonna go clean something. Probably I have a door that needs cleaning and a piece of a patio or a platform, not really a patio, that we'll clean just to show you guys what it actually does. And this is the door. It looks really nasty with that green stuff and whatnot, and we're gonna clean it, and you'll see it here on camera how good it actually does with this pressure. I'm not gonna use soap or anything else, and we're just gonna go with a pressure washer and get rid of that dirty, nasty stuff really quick. And I'm gonna just put the camera here. And yes, I'm getting ready to do some repairs here, so that was a great chance to show how it actually does. And you'll see it from different angles really quick, so I hope you enjoy it. And I don't know if you can notice there, but this nozzle, the turbo, you see how it spins? It goes side to side to actually make sure everything is clean. Really beautiful. I find myself most of the time actually using the turbo nozzle anyway, but you have to be careful in something we're gonna check here in a moment anyway. when I do some quick clean on the car, you have to make sure you're not putting it too close or any weird angle, because you can actually strip the paint from your car. It's a real thing. It really happens, so be extremely careful when you wash a car with it. And as you see, that spinning motion that I told you this nozzle has, I really love that. And look what it does. It seriously removes any kind of dirt or grime or whatnot that's there. Boom. That is actually a really beautiful design. I am really, I would say I'm almost in love with this nozzle style, this turbo. It really does the job. It shortens the time you need to spend on it and all that good stuff. As you see, look how beautiful it does it. Boom. You're done. It makes it perfect. And this stuff actually, it doesn't look like much, but if you try to remove it by hand, it is not easy at all, because it's been stuck here for quite a while, because you know, it happens. And what a better way to showcase it than today that the car needed to be washed anyway. So this is just how it does. It really works good, and it's worth every single penny I paid for it. And yes, just in case I didn't mention it, I bought this with my own money. This video was not sponsored, and none of this was sent to me by anyone. And this is what we're talking about now. Well, it's partially drying, so don't mind that part. But as you see, it really looks clean and nice. And that's what I'm talking about. And here's a random piece of pavement. Of course it has to be random. But it was nasty. And whatever you call that coating that it gets from weather, we're gonna try to actually clean it with this 2000 PSI pressure washer from Greenworks. And see where that goes. I'm gonna start with a 20-degree nozzle, just to show you what it actually does. And as you see, yeah, I can draw. Of course, I had to do that. There's no other way I could have survived if I didn't do that. And now for real, let me just, let me put subscribe or something here. Since I'm here. May not fit on camera, but yeah, S, U... and B. Yeah, it's upside down, but you get the point. Yes, you can draw with this. And nah, it's not gonna fit. You know what? Why would we even bother? Let me just go up and wash this whole thing. Yeah, I'm just having fun at this point, but as you see, it does really good, but compared to the turbo, I would say this one is kind of on the lower side. Turbo definitely does way better, and we're gonna get to turbo just in a second. Let me fast forward a little bit here, so maybe it looks like one of those videos that looks cool and cute. And now, just let me really quick change the nozzle here. We're gonna do the 40-degree nozzle. Let me just put this in fast forward as well. And now we're gonna take a quick look at the turbo. Let me just go get the nozzle. And this is where we're gonna put turbo to really shine and see what it does. Whoa. Okay. As you see, it goes in one pass. Literally goes straight to concrete without questions asked. This is why I love this turbo nozzle, because it seriously works that good. And right now I'm not really doing anything but just showing you how it looks. And let me put this one in fast forward too, because I think you watched enough at this point, so let me fast forward from here. And at this point I just started having fun, so of course I had to. And besides that, really there's not much else to say about this beautiful machine from Greenworks. 2000 PSI, 15 amp, 115 volts. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time. Link will be down in the description. Bye!